Hello friends, today I am presenting to you world's first talking Bhagavad Gita and Sampurna Hanuman. Stay tuned, watch full detailed demonstration of both the books. They uses a multi-sensory book and a reader that has a unique combination of touch, sound, visual technology. Both these books were launched by Swami Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Ji Guruji. The interactive, invaluable illustrations of these books are not only look divine but also speaks, sings, plays sounds as well. Bhagavad Gita is an epic which completes the body mind soul circle and opens the door of overall development of an individual. This book is in three languages, English, Hindi and Sanskrit, which help you to understand the epic book in a fun and interactive manner. Let's start. This book comes in a beautiful box, and with this book now you can learn and listen at your pace and convenience. This box contains the book, the warranty card, the Sankalp form. The Sankalp form can be sent to the Panditji to perform yajna for any of your wishes. Here comes the reader, wisdom flute which has volume controls and the speaker and a charger attachment. So let's start. Switch on the reader and place it on the book. It starts with a Shankhnad. See, it's a beautiful paintings, embossed paintings starting with Lord Ganesha and a people Patra. And all the 18 chapters, the content is along with the photographs and the details of the content. It's a beautifully made on eco-friendly pages. It has 4 aartis, Ganesh Ji's aarti, then Krishna Ji's aartis, Gita aarti and Jai Jagdish aarti. The Shankhnad, as you touch the reader to the page, the sound triggers and we can control the volume as well. Start with Pratham Adhyay. It starts in Sanskrit. You can change the language using this orange icon in English or in Hindi.
Dhritarashtra said, "O Sanjaya."
धृतराष्ट्र ने कहा, हे संजय.
Every touch to the page or a picture triggers the sound and keeps the user engaged throughout the book. Everything is printed in 3 languages, Hindi, English and Sanskrit. Beautifully crafted pictures along with each adhyay, which also speaks.
Dhritarashtra said, "O Sanjaya."
Let's take a quick demo.
ततः शङ्खाश्च वीर्यश्च परवान्त
Now let's see the wisdom flute with the flute sound. It's beautiful. When you click on the flute, you can hear the Krishna flute. Mesmerizing sound. You can listen the entire Bhagavad Gita, keeping the reader on stand in any of your preferred languages.
ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुन संवादे
At
मोक्षसंन्यासयोगो
the end, it has all the
नामाष्टमोऽध्यायः
four artis.
जय गणेश ओम जय भगवत गीता ओम जय श्री कृष्ण हरे प्रभु जय ओम जय जय
And at last, a beautiful peacock feather, the symbol of Krishna. The last beautiful picture. Here we end Bhagavad Gita. Now let's start Sampurna Hanuman. It's one of its kind, revolutionary book. These books will imbibe the learning of Lord Hanuman and Lord Krishna to the generations to come and preserve our great Indian values forever. Sampurna Hanuman is an exclusive book on Hanumanji. It contains 13 chapters. Let's explore. The books come in a very beautiful book-like box. It contains the book Sampurna Hanuman, a very beautiful book with golden edges. One Bal Hanuman, the book for children. Warranty card, Sankalp Path, playing cards for children, and the demo of Vajra. This is Gyan Vajra, shaped in the Gada of Hanumanji, along with the charger and the stand. Switch on the Gyan Vajra.
राम सिया राम जय जय राम
It contains the volume controls, speaker, and mic. Let's start.
मंगल भवन अमंगल हारी हो द्रवहु सुदशरथ अजीर बिहारी राम सिया
It has a beautiful Ram Darbar in the front page, a very beautiful pictures. Then comes the original Tilak from three mandirs, Ayodhya, Varanasi and Delhi. Very beautiful pictures of Hanuman, and every picture speaks about Hanuman. The eco-friendly pages which will last for lifetime. A very beautifully painted pictures of Hanuman and Sri Ramji. It contains the content page in braille as well, so that the people who cannot see can read the content and can enjoy the listening of the book. Each picture is having a beautiful song sung by renowned singers of the world. This is the content page where all the 13 chapters are mentioned along with the pictures and the page numbers.
जय 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 कपिसु
It contains the map of Bharat, which shows the journey from Ayodhya to Sri Lanka. And the book starts with Sri Ramchandra Ji.
राजा राम पतित पावन सीताराम
We can listen the book in 9 languages. It is printed in 2 languages, English and Hindi. But you can listen through this Gyan Vajra in 9 different languages.
पतित
The entire book, the Shloka, Hanuman Chalisa, Sundarkand, Bhajans, Aartis, are sung by 15 renowned singers of the world.
ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः।
Hanuman Chalisa, sung by different singers.
Shri Hanuman
You can
Chalisa.
listen using this Vajra at different points, like this.
गुरु चरण सरो श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज श्री गुरु चरण श्री गुरु चरण सरोज रज निज मनो मुकुर सुधारि वर्णौ रघुबर विमल जसु जोदायक फलचारि बुद्धिहीन तनु जानिके सुमिरो पवन कुमार बल बुद्धि विद्या देहु मोहे हरहु कलेश विकार जय हनुमान ज्ञान गुण सागर जय लाए संजीवन लखन जी
You can listen the entire book, keeping the Vajra on stand and switch it on. Now let us check the other parts. Sundarkand.
श्री सुंदरकांड। सुंदरकांड में हनुमान जी द्वारा किए गए महान कार्यों का वर्णन है। रामायण पाठ में सुंदरकांड के पाठ का विशेष महत्व माना जाता है।
This bookmark has 9 languages. Now you can change the languages using your watch. When you place it on any language, you can convert the entire listening in the language which you want.
तमिल।
ஹே ரகுகுலத்தின் தலைவனே, தனது இருதயத்தில் வேறு எந்த மயக்கமும் இல்லை. நான் சத்தியத்தையே உரைக்கிறேன்.
हिंदी। हे रघुकुल नरेश, मेरे हृदय में अन्य कोई तृष्णा नहीं है।
You can also change the speed
और आप समस्त
as
जन के
per
हृदयों
your
में अंतर्निवासित आत्मा है।
slow or
हे
fast.
रघुकुल शिरोमणि, आप कृपया अपने चरणों की उत्कट भक्ति प्रदान करें एवं काम वासना आदि जैसे दोषों से मेरे तेलुगु।
ఓ రఘువంశాధీశ, నా హృదయంలో వేరే ఏ విధమైన కోరిక లేదు.
Shri Sankat Mochana Hanuman Start. Shri Hanuman Kavacham.
भजन, आरती एवं नामावली।
రామ రామ జయ రాజా.
श्री हनुमान लला की आरती।
आरती की जय हनुमान लला की, आरती की जय हनुमान लला की।
This is Ram Setu, and this is the end of Sampurn Hanuman. These 2 books are the gift to the mankind. If you want to order, please contact the given number. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel, like and comment for more details. Thank you.